Alright, good Monday morning everybody. It's an exciting Monday morning because last night Tanner and a friend went out to eat and I was supposed to go, but I had already eaten and I was sweaty from exercise, so they got me this. Possibly my favorite food on the face of this planet. They got me some sushi, so I'm forever indebted and forever grateful. Good morning. And also, why is there milk spilling on my water? What is that? Is that from this? Yes. Ew. Well, anyway, it's still sushi. Any sushi is good sushi. Could you hold this? But also another exciting thing is I'm wearing a new bathing suit. I've had this nasty, disgusting old one for the longest time. And this one is still a little bit too big, that's why I've never worn it. But somebody, I don't know what happened to my old bathing suit, so I assume someone wanted it so bad that they stole it. So that's where my life is right now. If anything else happens today, I'll let you know. Off to work. Go close the windows, we've got a storm on our hands. Hurry, Parker, hurry, we don't have much time. Hurry!
Yep. Give me a second.
Come on. Yes.
There's one.
More pressure. Alright guys, me and Dad, well Dad just got home from work, and I've just been chilling around the house all afternoon, but we're about to work out with the steel mace, and it's going to be fun. Thank you for the muscle milk. Not a sponsor. So, let's do this.
Don't you remember back in the day when all you had to do was say but you walked away. You made your bed, you know the rest. Now you want me to say did you ride with you when they left? You think this is a game? You ain't going 'cause I'm the ref.
Alright guys, I just hopped out of the shower, but workout was good. And other than that, the day is completely over. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.